Ever wondered why some bloggers seem to rake in profits while most get stuck making pennies? Let's talk about the actual difference between bloggers who succeed and those who don't. The truth is, profitable blogging isn't about luck or picking any random topic out of thin air. Many beginners make the mistake of starting hobby blogs, writing just for themselves, hoping money shows up. But that rarely works. Instead, successful bloggers use a step-by-step approach for their blogs. They research what people want before they even start typing and check if there's an audience ready to engage. They avoid jumping in blind. It's less about passion projects, more about strategy zero so your energy pays off. If you're thinking of investing time or money, ask yourself, does what I'm about to create actually have demand? Stop spinning your wheels. Consider using tools to learn more about what real potential readers crave. The key is, don't skip the research. That way, your blog's not just another site floating on the web. It has a solid chance to turn effort into real income. Ready to move beyond the hobby stage? Start by matching your blog with what your audience already wants. That's the foundation for real profit. Please share, like and subscribe to learn more about blognethosting.com.